Millennium, no? Yeah. Rasta food, no? Ital is vital. Come check it out, no? Yeah. Millennium, man. Watch the artwork. You know, we've been here for a while, you see? Yeah, artwork, nice and thing, lovely. Straight, you see it? Exactly. Money tree, no? Phone number. We do delivery to all of that. Hours of opening time right here. Best Ital in the world. You have to come try it, yeah? Rasta vibration. See it there, you know anything we do Baba always tonight, you know. The Baba over there, so. Big man, straight. Yeah, nice. Yeah man, check it out man. You guys gonna love it. Believe me. Come and look at it. Come check it out. You know, come enjoy Jamaica. Nothing better than the island. Right? We not say it because we want to say it. We say it because it's true. Come check we out. We're going to get into the food and we're going to talk to the chef for a minute. Don't quote me on it, okay? Right, yeah, this is the offering that we offer on a daily basis, yeah? Whenever we open over here. Zoom in, make you guys see it. Nice and lovely. All of these things. Don't forget, Ital is vital, though. Yeah. For the human existence, you know, we have to eat healthy and eat right. Just like that. Yeah. A menu can change on a daily basis. Anything you see here is not guaranteed that you're gonna have it. But if you come on Chef Juba see you and you like something special, I can talk to him, he make it work for you. Just like that. Yeah. Check out this. Nice, you know? Yeah. Juba, what you call him? I don't want to call him Patty, you know?
Yatti.
Eh?
Yatti.
Yeah. Yeah. You see me have to ask the boss what his name? The boss say Yatti, not Patty, because you know we don't consume.
Chinaman.
Yeah.
Patty.
Yeah, alright, exactly. Yeah man, them nice man. Vegetable, soy, all these things. Callaloo, so we do it.
Yeah, lentil.
Lentil?
Yeah,
Bad.
and pumpkin.
And pumpkin, we'll have to go try one of lentil one then.
Alright.
Yeah, we provide a lot of juice, natural juice. They're good for you, you know? All kind of things. If you want to know, just come ask questions. You know? We're there 65 Barney Street. Yeah. Come check we out. Montego we are talking about, not Kingston, okay? Alright. Alright, yeah man, establishment nice. Seating areas. You know, we have one client right here. Sir, hi, how are you?
Yes.
How is the food over here?
Gotta stop here.
Gotta stop here. You see, don't take my word for it, take the customer word for it. Gotta stop here. Waiting for his lunch right now, because it's about lunchtime right now. Yeah, place nice, nice seated. You can have it here and you can have it to go. You know, we're gonna go over here a little bit. You know? Yeah, check this out. You know, look at that. Nice place. You know? We can read the sign up there, right? You guys take a close look on the sign. I'm not gonna read it for you guys, but you guys can read it for yourself. Okay? Ital is vital. Don't forget that part of it.
No long waiting, fast get through, quick service.
Check out the food. Nice though. Lovely. 3 beans stew, corn. We have some sweet potato, we have some Ital. We have some bulgur rice, but a wheat rice, because you know, no white rice to it thing, you see?
Bulgur brown rice.
Yeah, bulgur brown rice. Yeah man, you hear chef in the background? Yeah. Right?
Do my thing.
Alright. I film me that one over here, so I'm gonna mash up here now, no? Which is right. Which is right. Yeah man. Come check out the restaurant man. We say 65 Barney Street though, Millennium Victory. Yeah. So we do it.
We are vegetarian food, Millennium.
Yes, exactly. You know what I say? Check out the design, you know what I say? The Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie the first, you know? Yeah man. Well proper design, you know? No joke. Yeah, love. Only love here. Nothing but love, you know? Jamaica, love when you come. Check out, you know? Come check out the Ital shop.
Yeah, man.
Which is right. Back at it again. You know what I say? Doing what we do best. When we in Jamaica, make sure you come check out Juba, Millennium Victory,
One more.
Natural, Ital, no meat, vegetable only. Feel? Check out it. Nice and lovely though. Them are kind of food, when you eat them food here, you live long. Long life, longevity. Blessed guidance. I want to show you some juice. Because the kind of juice and the kind of pastry that we make over here, nice and lovely. Blessed guidance. Straight like that though. Straight them boy, though. Look on them. Nice and lovely. You can't come and have your dessert. You understand? Or your sweet tooth. With a sweet tooth. Check out that cornmeal pudding and our normal cornmeal pudding, trust me. Let me say bad, it's bad. Yeah. And bad mean good in Jamaica, don't get it twisted, okay? Yeah. Check out them muffin too, nice and lovely, no? Yeah. Check out them bread too. So we have some bread up there. Straight. Nice and lovely, no? I'm gonna try a piece of cornmeal pudding for myself, right? You see it? Yeah. Check out the image them in the place, no? It's in People's Majesty Island, so that's it, you know? Check them out, yeah man, them there man, lovely, see? Holy power, you know? You can learn and read and, you know, understand the culture if you want, you know? Yeah man, you have to come to Jamaica man, come understand Rasta culture. In the ice of ice and the fullest of fullest, you know? Anything you know, ask question. Each one, teach one, reach one, you know? Yeah. Blessing. Guidance, love and respect. Don't forget, subscribe, share, like, tell a friend to tell a friend.